Good morning guys, in front of me is Redmi Note 15 5G and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So at first let's open your camera app. Once you're in photo mode, just unroll more options and here you'll notice timer. Click here and then apply 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay, however you prefer. Now just tap on camera shutter and the photo would be grabbed after selected time. To switch the timer off, just unroll and this bar again, mark timer and click this off icon. And now the photo will be grabbed right after you click. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.